Hi, this is Nick from Kube Medical, bringing you the fourth video in our Plantar Fasciitis series. And this video and the two following on are going to work on the hips, specifically trying to recover external rotation and strengthen that position. You can imagine that if your hip turns internally, you're putting a lot of stress on the knee, sometimes giving you knee pain, but also collapsing the arch of the foot, which is going to lead to that plantar fasciitis or that pain in the bottom of the foot that you're feeling. So we're going to start off today by working with some of the tools that we looked at earlier, the trigger point ball, and we're going to add the foam roller in, work to some of the muscles in the hip and the upper leg. The first exercise we're going to do is using the ball again, and we're going to try and release the muscles on the outside of our hip, so you'll feel where the edge of the pelvis is, and we've got this TFL and glute min here that get very tight and kind of draw the hip into an internally rotated position. So we're going to lay onto the ball, find that really tight spot where it feels a little bit tender, and then start to move the leg up and down so that we can work that muscle over the ball. Go for about 10 to 15 repetitions of this, nice and slow and controlled, and you should start to feel that muscle tissue soften up and become more relaxed. We're going to use the roller on the lateral portion of the quadriceps here. That gets quite tight. You usually get some trigger points, or most people call them knots, in that muscle. So we're going to find those spots and again move the muscle over the roller to try and ease them off. 10 to 15 times is perfect. Every time you find a tight spot, once you've rolled up and down the leg, just stop there, bend the leg up and down a few times, you should feel it soften up, and then move on to the next one. Hope you enjoyed these exercises today. Comment underneath if you've got any issues or any questions on any of these exercises that you've seen so far, and we'll get back to you on them. Look out for the fifth video coming soon.